the new A1 Cardone remanufactured MAF. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, probably not. But put that in. I also put the, you probably can't even see it, but I put the O2 sensor back in, the Bosch, so I'm gonna start it up. I disconnected the battery and everything, so. Let you hear the ticking if it's still doing it. Just in park. I mean, if you turn the AC back off, go back up to about, I don't know, 800 if that. Go back to the exhaust real quick.